Urgence, une danse et un rendez-vous en France. L'amour, la tour, on s'aimera pour toujours. Urgence, une danse.
Okay, for today's agenda, we're going to be trying to apply one of those lace front wigs, installing one of those. Because, usually I just slap that shit on, So we're going to try to do, the bald cap and all that little fancy shit. So I'm going to show you this is the wig from that one video when I was like, oh my God, that's not Miss Wynn. That's not Miss Wynn hair. And it came, and I was like, well, you see what I did to it? I don't do much, but I call myself doing something. Girl, this is self-taught. Anybody taught me shit. That's why I look the way it look. But I'ma pluck it some. It came pre-plucked and came with some edges. Y'all remember the fucking edges, bitch. I cut them like this because I'm planning on having a small swoop like during this part right here on the left side, and then having a big swoop to go into this one. But it still needs to get plucked because I put it on just to see. And I was like, girl, you can't see shit right here. But on the mannequin, you can see it. But I guess I need to pluck it some more, honey. Don't run out, child. Is that visible? Is it visible or divisible, honey? Ooh, why am I unscrewing it? This is not the proper mannequin, whatever shit's supposed to be. But, ooh, that's too high, ain't it? Girl, I asked y'all, was it too motherfucking high? Why the fuck you ain't say shit? Why didn't you say anything? I'm gonna work on that cussing, honey. You better watch them B words.
You better watch those or you end up over in the ocean.
Okay, can y'all see that? Can y'all see it now? Is that a yes? No, maybe. Let me see. Do I have to look for y'all? Okay, somebody lied. Let's zoom in, bitch. Ooh, not over there. Let's zoom in right there. And let's bring the wig up close to y'all. Cause ain't y'all the whole, aren't you the lovely individuals and distinguished individuals watching the tutorial from another distinguished individual who does not know what it takes, I'm not a master. Look at that, you can't even see the part. Oh my God. Girl. I mean, at least it ain't ugly, but y'all can't see the part. So I'm gonna force y'all to see the part when I take these pliers. Not pliers. Girl, when I take these tweezers and I pluck this mother. Let me go to, ooh. It's what you do, 'cause I know if I'm haunting you, you must be haunting me. Copyright that hoe. Ooh, girl, I'm working on it. At least I ain't say every other sentence, Y'all hear that? I hear that. Okay. No. This part y'all can't even see? No. So, ooh, I sprayed got the BJ all up in here. Girl, it look nice to me. I don't care if it's stiff. It ain't human. So, we're gonna start. Ooh, look at that. You can hear the crunch. Captain Crunch. Okay, we're gonna start right here. All these hairs are just styled. Y'all gotta go. Y'all gotta go. Especially right here. All these in the front. Might as well. Look at them. They stuck to the got to be. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, not them in the clamp. I gotta take the clamps off. Gonna mess up the style I got. I'm gonna have to restyle it anyway when I take all these out. So this little section right here needs to go. Why is this not even, I don't know if I got it locked down. Girl, hold on. Let me drop in everything. Where is, oh, here it is. Like, girl, at least have two of them down. Because we don't want this thing to be on Good Luck Charlie, I'm gonna put one in the back, stab the back of that head. Front and back. That's better than nothing, honey. Okay, you gotta go because I just don't like you. Can I just pull you? Ooh, pulled. Okay, let's start with let's have an agenda. We're gonna start with this forehead that's on Planet of the Apes right now. Like, who got fucking square? Who has freaking square? I mean, some people do have square edges, I guess, but it just don't look nice on me. I don't got no square edges. Like, this is not Square Enix. Like, get these individual ones. Like, I'm about to pluck, because I don't know how to plug gun in. I just take it. There's so much you can take. I know how bad you need a Roman holiday. Roman holiday, a Roman, ooh, okay. Roman holiday. Oh, you sucked it twice? No. You sucked it? You don't want a round fit? You just sucked it twice? Girl, I ain't heard that song in like a couple years, so. And by couple, I mean like probably 3, 4. So that's not a couple, you know what I mean? Not a couple. We like to speed this up. I ain't gonna talk to y'all no more. Lord, send help. Not the help, but help. Come on out, Chucky. Ooh, don't get me started on that fucking phrase. Come on out. Girl, do I have a story for y'all. But guess what? I'm gonna leave it up to y'all. If y'all don't bring it back up, y'all don't wanna hear it. But if somebody wise enough brings it up, I'll tell y'all about it. Okay? We getting somewhere. Ooh. So that's a little bit. I shouldn't even plug from right there. I forgot that's what the original part was at. Honey. Not that water bottle scaring me. Okay, this right here, this whole section. Gotta go. This right here. Gotta go. This right here. Gotta go. All this. Girl, not the style looking like who did it. Girl, you can go. I done plucked a whole bunch from right there. I ain't even do no precision. I just did it. Cause that's probably gonna cover my ear anyway, so it's gonna get cut off anyway. So, damn. Ooh, yikes! I forgot my glasses. Ooh, look at it getting wrapped to tatted up. Yeah, we're gonna have to redo this. But guess what? It didn't take long to do it. I just thought it was special because I was like, oh my god, a style I did actually working. She want a Birkin. Says she's hurting. Says she's hurting for a Birkin bag. Who want to get me a Birkin bag? Who wants to get Corona? Who would like to get me a Birkin bag? That'd be very nice. Let me turn it. Can y'all see? Okay. Girl, if you and I promise we'll have a good time. I promise I could change your mind. Just let me free you. I'm sick of TikTok getting them nasty motherfucking songs stuck in my head like the other one. Throw a baby. Like, what is that? Y'all is nasty. And these people actually saying like, yeah, baby, I hate y'all talk, baby. Like, no. Y'all need to be having a Bible, baby. A book, baby. Like, you know, but have you Bible. A book. Some book, because clearly y'all ain't reading enough. Y'all can do that. Like, all you gotta do is look up pre-K prices and then you won't want to do it no more. How about that? No, you need to stop it. Having throw babies. No. Girl, what is this monstrosity that I just created? I mean, at least you can see the part right here now. Oh my god, you can see it. Period. But I gotta make it where y'all can really see it. Like, you can't even look at it without seeing this. Like, you gonna see this part. Like Dolly Parton. You gonna see this part. I don't care. I don't give a fuck if I was late. Yeah, that was set up for a punchline on duct tape. Don't Y'all worried about my butt fake. Worry about y'all niggas us straight. Okay. I'm just plucking the plug now. What it look like on y'all end? Okay, a lot of nothing. We're gonna use foundation because I'm not plucking no more. I can't plug, okay? Girl, we'll be back and it's gonna be better, okay? I promise. So we done made it to the voiceover portion of the FKA video. Yeah, we see we spraying that got to be jail all over the face and the cap and all with that and stuff like that sort of thing. And stuff like that. Oh, I sprayed it off camera, and now I'm cutting the lace. First time. We not cut. Oh, you getting too close? You might cut that skin. Don't cut that skin, baby. We don't need no more razor bangs, okay? Don't cut it. So we see we got the Star. Star of David products. I told you that mirror nice. So skip the man, but that mirror nice. Still cutting, yes. Ooh, not the ears. The ear labs without the jewelry on them. Looking like a boo-boo. Oh, look, yeah, it's working, Miss Mama. It's work it, work it, work it, work it. Very much little Bill, how you are there. Mr. Clean Who? Dr. Bill Who? Ooh, don't show the hand, but good enough, honey. Yes, look, yes. Come back. Oh, we back. Hey, we cut off the ear tabs. Okay. Ooh, okay. We taking that bronzer color in Supreme. And we gonna just color the lace, I guess. All up in there. Get all up in there. Focus, all up in there. Oh, then now you put it on the lace. Oh, okay. You put it on the cap too. Okay. I see. It's working. Wait, where you go? Oh, okay. You back. Ooh. All over everywhere. You got that little cream everywhere. Oh, okay, you smoothing it out. Like a facial. I see, I understand. Oh, you just put it all like that on camera. Oh my god. Oh, you found the new mirror. Very much Shirley Temple. Is you gonna tilt it that way? Tilt it that way, tilt it that way. Do it like Cookie Tookie say, dude. Don't, yeah, you need to tilt it a little bit. Just a little bit to the right. Or is it the left? I don't know. Just tilt a little bit. Just tilt it. How you gonna tilt the bitch down? So you're not gonna tilt it? Hello? If you know what's good for your motherfucking ass, you'll tilt that motherfucking wig. Oh, she just fuck me right. Fuck my drag right. Okay, I'm trying to help you, Pepsi can. Oh, okay. You making it work. Okay, I see you. You getting them back. Can you get the... Is it that hard to get it where it's supposed to go? Like that. Ooh, you combing it up in there. Okay, comb it now, Miss Rose. Comb it. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, okay. You did something. Oh, I see you doing something now. Why you keep leaving? You need some rhythm. You moving too much. Some Adderall. Something has to be concentrated. You moving too much. Ooh. Now you coming on back there. Okay, what you doing now? I don't understand. You still got that stain, that placebo in your hairline on that part of the wig. But you know, if that's what's cute to you, then that's what's cute to you. Okay, it's starting to look pretty nice now. If I do say so myself. Oh, you got the placebo. The placenta? Oh, Lord Jesus. Anyway, okay, you wrap it up like Dolly Parton. And you let that motherfucker cook. You cook that hoe. Oh, you came back with the phone. Okay, iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yes, thank you very much. Oh, it's finished, honey. It's finished. Finished. Hey. That look pretty good for your first time. Book me, ho, book me. Okay, don't book me though. Book yourself. Yes. Booked and busy. Ooh, not the speed. Ooh, what you doing, bitch? Damn. Hello? Hello, you ain't looking at the camera. What the fuck you doing? You ain't looking at the camera. Oh, you getting, I got this stank ass walk and that stank. Okay, I see you. Ooh. Hello? It turned the lights off. She's gonna go there for free. Oh, okay. Bye, y'all. Girl, I don't know if you can hear that fucking TV in the background or not, but when I went upstairs, bitch, to turn it off, they was talking about locating somebody who did a hit and run, and bitch, knowing me, I said they need to locate shut the fuck up as I pressed the power button.